So I've never done this whole talking to a camera thing, but you know, I had a pretty entertaining experience the other day. So it was Free Comic Book Day, and I figured that I should make a costume for a small costume contest. Figured I wouldn't win, but I made a last minute leotard from, just a basic pattern, and made the error that I could not physically get out of it without the help of someone else. And I just went a little crazy in the process of waiting for someone to get home for me to get it off. So I found it somewhat entertaining even while going insane, so I filmed the process of me losing my mind. So here you go, enjoy. So I decided to make this leotard, very last minute for, Free Comic Book Day. I need practice for Rapunzel, all that good stuff. I have made a huge design error. I am alone and cannot unzip this until about 9 or 10 tonight because my boyfriend's not here and I physically cannot reach it. And I don't have any buttons to give myself the ability to go to the bathroom. So this is going to be interesting, and I'm stuck in this costume unless I want to rip the seams, which I don't, until about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. So this is going to be how today went. Since I am still stuck in this costume, I need to go out of the house and do laundry. Yay! So I'm gonna try and hide this as much as I can with a jacket. I guess I could put on pants over this. No, I'll just put a jacket. If I'm going to mess up, I'm going to commit to the mess up. Alright, while I wait for the laundry, I guess I'll put these pins up that I got today for Free Comic Book Day. Thanks, Game Haven! This is so uncomfortable. I have a corset on and it's starting to bunch and I want to get it off, but I don't want to rip it apart. The struggle of not knowing how to make a costume right. Food. Pizza. Dirty microwave. Pizza. I am so uncomfortable. I can't wear this wig anymore. I hate it. 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 You will go wig rack. There you go. Next to old one. Wigs. I don't have a way to store the wigs. Ow, I just kicked stuff. Ow. I have a sewing table and it's driving me nuts, 'cause sewing is awful sometimes. And then the rest of the room is a mess. Haha. That is the room. It is not clean. It is not organized in the slightest. But I have Canary books too. I've gone insane. Insanity. Leg lamp. Aha. Well, no matter what I do, wig hair is not going to get better. But on another note, I have to pee really bad. So let's go figure out how to do that after I get a drink of milk, because I'm a growing girl, apparently. That's an excuse, right? Yeah, that's an excuse. Which mug? Some faded superheroes? Nah. Deadpool. Yeah. Some milk. Deadpool mug. I'm an adult. This hurts my wrist. Who cares? Whoop. Decent angle, 'cause I kind of have a chin from here. Best angle. Ha! One chin. Two chin. Three chin. 5 chins. I've gone insane, haven't I? I got the zipper.